This is the story of how a box of cat food changed our life. We bought a nice house in the mountains. We can walk to the sea and the town in 10 minutes, but our garden is very quiet. After we got the keys to our new house, we needed to go there every day to clean it before we could start living there. And then we saw her. She was small and cute and had a lot of hair. She was scared of us because we were very noisy and the area was usually quiet. But she was also very interested in everything we did. We cleaned the floors and windows, we moved furniture, and she sat in the garden and watched us. One day we went to the supermarket and bought some cat food because we wanted to be friends with the cat. She was scared, but the food was tasty, so every time we went to the house, the cat came to eat. After 2 weeks, we started living in the house, and the cat visited us every day to eat. We had a new job. We are chefs and cleaners for the Black Mountain Kitties.